Hi everyone, this is your Emil Tipa channel once again. Today we will do unboxing for my GoPro accessories. So this is my GoPro. So if you can see, the lens and the LCD is exposed. So I bought online case protector for that GoPro. So shout out to all my channel members out there and to all my friends. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you so much for your generosity, and I really appreciated all your support to my channel. Good luck also to your channel, and all the best. So this is my GoPro. So if you can see, the lens is exposed, likewise the LCD. I bought the case protector, so we will do the unboxing now. First we will do the case protector, guys. I bought this online. We will take a scissor. Okay, so here is the case protector, guys. So you will see later on how important is this little case protector, guys. See, you can this is how it look likes, and it's hard, you know. See, for me, it will protect your GoPro here. So this is the sample, guys. See, if you put anywhere, you know, it will protect your lens and it will protect your LCD. So that's why it is essential to have this case, you know. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless you all. Bye.